I'm Baby Angel Suico, but you can call me Angel. In this video, I'll share my chosen philosophy, which are progressivism, existentialism, and social reconstructionism. I'll explain what it's all about and how I applied it in my activity. Let's get started! Choosing a learner-centered philosophy is not easy because we need to think about its good and bad effects. In a teacher-centered philosophy, the teacher is the main source of knowledge and students just listen and follow. The focus is more on teacher and how lessons are delivered. But I prefer a student-centered philosophy because I believe that learning should focus on the students and what they need. It allows students to take part in their own learning and discover their strengths. I want a philosophy that truly helps students in a real-life situation. I want them to find their hidden talents, explore different ways of learning, and gain confidence in themselves. As a future teacher, I want to create a classroom where students can share ideas, ask questions, and learn by doing. That's why I choose the progressivism, existentialism, and social reconstructionism philosophies. First, let's talk about progressivism. Progressivism is a philosophy that believes students learn best when they are active and involved in their lessons. It is also called learning by doing because students understand more when they experience things on their own. This philosophy focuses on the needs and interests of every learner and helps them connect what they learn to real-life situations. In progressivism, the teacher is not the center of the classroom. The teacher becomes a guide who helps students explore and discover new ideas. Students are free to ask questions, share their thoughts, and learn through real experiences. Next is we have existentialism. Existentialism is a philosophy that focuses on the freedom and choices of each student. It believes that every learner is unique and should have the chance to make their own decisions in learning. This philosophy teaches that education is not just about following rules but about understanding who you are and what you want to become. They learn to make the choices and take responsibility for those choices. This helps them grow as individuals and develop self-awareness and confidence. And the last philosophy is social reconstructionism. Social reconstructionism is a philosophy that believes education should help change and improve society. It teaches that students are not only learners, but also future leaders who can solve real problems in their communities. Learning in this philosophy is focused on building a better and fair world for everyone. Good morning, class!
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We are happy, teacher.
Okay, please take your seat. Today, we'll learn about addition and
Subtraction.
Yes, Owen.
Teacher, is that hard?
No. Addition and subtraction is part of the basic operations in mathematics. And later on, we will tackle about this one and I will give you some example in order for you to understand well. And this time, I taught them on how to add numbers. And I also taught them on how to subtract or find the difference. Now class, I want you to show me how you understand addition and subtraction in your own way. You can draw, write a story, or use things you have.
I draw 2 flowers plus 1 flower equals 2 flowers. I draw 5 pencils plus 2 pencils equals 7 pencils.
Very good. You all learned in your own way. Now class, let's use addition and subtraction in real life situation. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Imagine we are helping in a feeding program. We have 10 sandwiches and we add 5 more. How many do we have now?
Teacher, I.
Okay, Uwed, what's your answer?
15 sandwiches.
Good job. Now, if we already gave 5 sandwiches to children, how many are left? Eli, what's your answer?
10 sandwiches.
That's right. Very good. So class, what did we learn today?
Addition and subtraction. Yay. Math is easy. Math is fun. Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome, class. So that's the end of my video. Through this experience, I have learned that teaching is more than just standing in front of the class and explaining lessons. It is about creating a space where students can explore, express, and experience learning in their own special way. These philosophies remind me why I want to be a teacher, not only to teach lessons, but to inspire, to guide, and to touch lives. Because being a teacher is not just a profession, it is a purpose. It's about helping your minds grow, not only in knowledge, but in heart and in character. And that's the kind of teacher I dream to be.